Hello everyone. No, we already got in.
Like that RT shot getting in. Hey everybody!
Welcome back to the channel.
I'm Nina.
And I'm Randa. You may be wondering, why am I wearing a sweater in 90 degrees? It's because
we're going to Whole Foods.
And Trader Joe's. We're going to the grocery store. It's always cold in there. We're doing something a little different today. What
are we doing? Let's tell them. We're doing
the potato challenge. What does that mean? That means we're only going to be eating potatoes
for this whole day.
The whole entire day.
We're starting tomorrow, but we're prepping today.
Only potatoes.
Okay, Ed Sheeran A-Team. Doesn't the A-Team come on for everyone else when your phone goes on? Oh my god, I'm like sick of that song for that reason.
So just a little disclaimer, we don't think just eating only potatoes is healthier than the diet that we personally normally eat.
Do I think it's healthier than what most people are eating, though, the standard American diet? Absolutely. I think if more people ate potatoes and didn't like drench it in sour cream and that kind of stuff, that they would be a lot healthier. They would see that their skin is clearing up, they could lose weight, they would have more energy. So that is why we're doing this challenge, to spread potato awareness.
Hashtag potato awareness.
Hashtag potato challenge.
Hashtag potato twins.
So that you guys can learn more about potatoes and the health benefits that it gives. Just whistle. All right, so we got our reusable grocery bags. One for you, Randa. Here you go.
Thank you.
Take it. And one for me. We're just gonna fill this up with potatoes. Hey, it's zero waste too.
Are you ready, lifeguard? I just tripped. It's like 93 degrees and it's October. I'm gonna miss this dried fruit. Oh my god. This is what I want. It's only a day. All right, so I want to get some normal potatoes as well. All right, so we're getting a decent variety of potatoes. I'm gonna get a lot of these gold ones. Nina, we're doing it. You're getting your bag. I'm getting my bag. I'm not sharing with you.
Okay, fine.
Well, then you need to take the camera.
And I feel like there needs to be, if there's a loser, there should be a penalty.
Oh, well, I'm not gonna lose this challenge.
You might lose.
Why would I use it? You're eating vegetables. You're already losing.
That's part of the challenge. Vegetables included. And potatoes.
Well, I will say this has made grocery shopping really easy because you just come to one section. And I just, bless you, I just don't know what is enough. Like, how many potatoes do you have?
I don't count calories, so I don't know what's
enough.
Exactly.
This is what I have. Do you think that this is enough for like a day of eating?
Yeah, I think for a day it'll be
like
fine.
I'm not doing vegetables.
Really?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, we need to just decide now. Is condiments part of the challenge? I feel like condiments can be part of the challenge.
So we can have like
lemon, mustard, salsa.
This will be easy then.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
All right, we're back.
Right, so we didn't know exactly how much potatoes to get.
And we definitely, I think
we overestimated. So we spent $39 on potatoes.
And some vegetables.
And some vegetables, which definitely rack up the price. But I don't think we'll end up eating all of this.
We're gonna tell you guys how much we spent at the end of it. We'll do
give an estimate. One thing I'm thinking about is like, I don't like in my mind that I'm mentally restricting myself. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Even though there probably are days where I just
when you feel like you
potatoes.
Can't have something, you want it so much more.
Yeah.
It's like monogamy. Just kidding. You tell a man he can't be with other women and suddenly he wants to a lot more.
Well, that's
a joke,
gross, man.
That's a joke. Good morning, it's potato time. We're gonna skin 2 of these sweet potatoes and put them in the blender. Okay, so here we got breakfast. It looks almost like a pudding, and because it's been baked, the sweet potatoes the night before, they're really sweet. I just like to add some cinnamon. I mean, I eat this even when I'm not only eating potatoes. This is good. This is so freaking dank. It tastes like pudding. Got back from teaching a class, and this is the perfect breakfast.
Morning, guys. Just chilling here with no makeup on. I just worked out and showered, as you can tell, and I'm about to eat my first potato breakfast. We got a Japanese sweet potato and a normal potato, and this is what I'm gonna start with. Honestly, this tastes so good, I feel like I'm eating a cupcake right now.
We ate interrupt this program to say that we just launched a skincare line. We have a moisturizer, a face wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Everything that you see, like our hair and our face, like that's all the products we use. If you want to check them out, we'll leave it linked in the description. It's oil-free, vegan, won't clog your pores, and perfect for sensitive skin. And we've made other videos. If you want more information on that, we'll leave it linked in the description. We are all about a healthy lifestyle, and that's why we wanted to create our own line so that we could make products that wouldn't clog our pores but also had safe ingredients, and that's why we made this line. And if you want to check it out, we'll leave it linked in the description. Available at clearskindiet.com or Amazon. Back to the challenge. If you guys want a detailed makeup look, check out our last video. I'll link it in the description. This was just a little fast forward daily makeup. I don't always curl my hair, but sometimes I do. And when I do it, I put it in a ponytail and then I curl the ponytail. Just a little hack. It's way easier and it's way easier for long hair, but it also really looks good with the curls. I'll show you guys the finished product. And the finished product. Ta-da! Ta-da! See, it still looks like a decent amount of the hair is curled. Okay, it's lunchtime. I've just microwaved like 4 Yukon potatoes. Just starting out with this, and then if I want more, I'll go for seconds. I've mashed up my 4 potatoes. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt maybe and some lemon. I'm honestly like, I'm down for this. This looks pretty good. All right guys, so I finished the 4 potatoes, but I was still hungry, so I'm having 2 more. That's 6 potatoes for lunch and 2 for breakfast. I'm at a total of 8 potatoes. How many potatoes have you had today, Randa? Just 2 so far.
All right, so I'm in the lead. Randa, serious question. Is kombucha part of this challenge?
No kombucha allowed.
Oh! I'm snacking on potatoes.
Shocker!
Checking in, it's 2 p.m. Guys, I want nothing more than white rice and beans right now. But I'm gonna stick to the challenge and eat more potatoes. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 5:36 p.m.
5:36 p.m. and I feel absolutely ravenous. I'm like literally debating on, oh, thanks for the lighting. Debating on whether I want to fail this challenge or not, you know. Since I couldn't really meal prep because why, Randa? Why, Randa? Why couldn't I meal prep? Because we were at Whole Foods meeting with someone, and so you were with me. And I was dragged along. Lovely time. So, but I'm cooking up some potatoes because I don't want to fail this challenge, and I'm gonna make some of this broccoli since vegetables is an okay. He might watch the video. Whatever. I had a great time. Great time with you if you're watching. Like I literally I'm absolutely hangry, and I didn't say I didn't have a bad time.
You said you were dragged along.
I was dragged along, yeah.
Okay.
He's a great guy.
So, little update. If anyone is thinking about doing this challenge, I would say you gotta meal prep for sure, and also never take for granted things like cereal, raisins, what else? Oh, dates, like all the glorious fruit in the world. Because just a day without it, I'm like, this is sad. Honestly, it's sad. Matches my eyes. All right, go ahead and call me a loser. I'm breaking the potato fast because I'm just so hungry. I've been up since 6 a.m. and I don't feel like suffering anymore. All right, it's the next day. It's time to recap. What were your thoughts on this challenge? Okay. You are the winner. I am the winner of this challenge. I actually stuck with only doing potatoes. And I want to say that I could have won if I wasn't dragged to Randa's date.
It wasn't a date.
Whatever it was, I would have won because I would have been able to meal prep and I just couldn't wait. Okay, well whatever. I will say, I have to be honest, the only thing that I did drink that was technically would be cheating was like this organic green delight juice, and it's kind of like apple juice and chlorella and spirulina. Chlorella.
No, not cholera. I think that's a disease.
Chlorella, and there's like kale juice in it, so it's more like a vegetable drink. Yeah, it's really good actually. Anyway, so I did drink a little bit of that, but I didn't actually have any other vegetables. I only ate potatoes. And
When I was starving though, I really craved like dried fruit and juices.
I noticed in the beginning of the challenge, I would see cereal. I'd be like, oh, I'm gonna go reach and have some. I would see like a pot of rice, and I'd be like, oh, I'm just gonna serve myself a little rice because I normally snack throughout the day, and I was like, oh, I can't do that right now. So that was like the only adjustment, and I remember at one point I was like, oh, all I want is blueberries.
Yeah.
But the more I ate, the more potatoes I ate, the more I craved them is what I found, even though it was only a day. Like by the time it was dinner or past lunch, I was just like, oh, okay, yeah, sure, I'll have potatoes, like no big deal. But it was like kind of the first meal that I was like, oh, I want like something more than potatoes. But I noticed
I just missed fruit.
you end up craving what you put into your body day in and day out. So even when I woke up this morning, honestly, just out of sheer convenience, I was like, well, we still have a lot of potatoes cooked up in the fridge.
We didn't eat all the potatoes we bought either.
No.
Like, how much do you think we ended up spending?
I don't even know. Probably like $10 each. Maybe
not
like
that
$8.
much. Yeah.
Honestly, I don't know. We definitely didn't eat all the potatoes we bought. My thoughts were when I woke up in the morning, I, really
Let it out, man.
let it out. I cleansed, if you know what I'm saying. Number 2, it was a lot, and it felt
Number 2, it was number 2.
What?
It was number 2.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I felt like throughout the day, my energy levels were totally fine. What about you?
I got so hangry.
Yeah, you were hangry because you didn't have enough calories.
Because I was out. Miranda's like, oh, we'll only be out for like half an hour, 2 hours.
Well, anyway, sorry. What was I gonna say?
I lost the challenge. It's okay. I'm a sore loser.
Well, I won the challenge. I will say, I could see how the potato diet could make you lose weight, because when you're only eating one food, especially something that's so fiberful and filling,
Yeah.
you're like, oh, I've already had so many potatoes, like, I don't really want to eat anymore. Whereas if you're eating more of a variety, it's like, oh, I'll take a little bit of that, I'll take a little bit of that.
And that's
because
what we
it's more
like,
stimulating.
We don't want to lose
Yeah,
weight.
I'm not trying to lose weight, so we're only trying it out for
But
a day.
if someone wanted to like reset their palate, because sometimes if you eat a lot of junk food, like you crave junk food, if you wanted to have like a reset of your palate, you could do this for a few days and then go back to eating blueberries, and suddenly it'd be like the best thing ever,
So we've actually heard of people doing the potato diet as a way to get over their binge eating disorder. Some people, when they have binge eating disorder, it's like a lack of control of just eating a bunch of foods, but when you know, okay, I'm only eating this one food, it's like retraining your body. And this guy named Spudfit did it for like a year, so.
And how much
check
weight did
him
he
out.
lose?
Oh, he lost a lot of weight.
Yeah, we'll link Spudfit if you want to learn more on a potato diet. We did it for a day, almost.
I did it for a day.
And he did it for
Honestly,
a year.
and I did it also this morning too, so it's over a day now.
Same.
There are cultures in the world that never get acne, never get any diseases or obesity or anything like that. And the Okinawans, especially when there was a war going on, the main source of their diet was potatoes. And these are some of the longest living people, over 100 years old. So the potatoes definitely ace. They get a bad rep, but we wanted to show you can be full, you can be satiated. Well, at least I can.
Do you feel like your skin is more like...
I mean, it's only been a day. My skin was already great.
Yeah.
Honestly. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up.
If you want to see us do potatoes like for every meal for a week, if this video gets like
10,000 likes, it's got to get a lot for me.
no,
to
if it
do
gets
that.
like 3,000 likes, we can put a potato in every meal. It's not the only thing we're eating.
I don't know. Give it a like and we'll see what happens.
All right, thanks for watching.
Subscribe, all that stuff, and bye.
Bye.